Welcome back everyone. Today we're in beautiful Long Beach, California, practicing some backside Smith grinds. This is one of those videos I've already done a tutorial on, so I'll go ahead and put the link in the description below. But never hurts to practice. I get a lot of requests for the backside Smith grind. Definitely not the easiest, but one of the most fun, addictive tricks once you learn how to do it. So know how to backside 50-50, backside 5-0. If you can backside lip also, that would be great. The more backside tricks you're familiar with, this is gonna make it a lot easier. So you'll see once I pop here, I start pointing the nose down and just doing a little shift and really getting that back truck up on the rail. And once you lock in, this is really one of those tricks where the back foot is everything. And to prove that point, a 1 foot back Smith is possible. And I've seen a couple clips of them on the internet, whether it be on a vert ramp or a flat bar, and that's because the back foot is so important and instrumental to this trick. And obviously, doing something like a 1 foot back Smith is very difficult, but it is possible, and it just proves that you can do it without really having that front foot in place. And you'll even see my foot here, the whole foot isn't on the board. The whole front foot isn't on the board. It's just really mostly the upper end, the toes is really just keeping it in place. And it's really about having your weight right behind the back truck and just having it situated in that little area and just sitting on that. And once you can sit on that, that's all it really is in the backsmith. You really just need to have your momentum, have the speed and the wax of the rail really carry you across, and it just feels like you're sitting on it. So it's one of the coolest feelings in skateboarding, in my opinion. So the dismount is probably the harder part of the trick, and it's really just about making sure that your front end and your leading shoulder and your head isn't too dipped down along with the Smith. You want to make sure that you're generally facing where you're going to land, and that you don't end up really leaning into the Smith too much. Like I said, the front foot's just there to keep it in place. You don't want the rest of your body to lean towards the front foot. It'll make it a lot easier if you're just leaning back, and if you're going fast enough, it's not gonna feel like a difficult process to get out of the rail. It's just gonna slide right off, and just make sure that you're facing in the right direction, and it'll be a lot easier. I know it seems like in most of these clips I'm trying to grind as much of the rail as I can, but that's definitely not how it's going to be starting out for you. Don't feel pressured like you have to start out grinding the whole rail. It's cool to do, less than half or even the very end, just to know what it feels like to lock into a backsmith. So always keep that in mind. But those are my tips on backsmiths. Gonna have a lot more rail tricks coming your way, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching as always. See you next time.